Bill McDonald lost his power in last week's snowstorm. This left him with no place to plug in his oxygen tank.
But it's scary when something happens like that where you can't breathe and you're racing around to find somebody to help you out.
A shelter opened in Danbury on Tuesday to help displaced residents needing medical help.
Calling a functional needs shelter for those individuals who have either been discharged from the hospital, either were at home or from another shelter where they're oxygen dependent, perhaps they needed specialty care from nursing.
Several state and local groups helped get the shelter going.
So we erected this particular shelter with the assistance of Western Connecticut State University, the state and local health department here in Danbury, the city of Danbury's mayor's office, and a lot of different entities and agencies.
I'm truly impressed with is that everyone, really the emergency management services and a lot of other help just got together to do a really remarkable thing to help patients in our community. Either patients who were sitting in their home with their power out, they've been cold, they haven't got power for their oxygen or whatever it is, and they're frightened, or even patients that needed to leave the hospital, didn't want to be there where it was better for them to be out of the hospital but couldn't go home because there was no place to go. And to be able to create a facility like this where they can get safe care, food, shelter, warmth, power, their oxygen, their medications, even a little guidance to help with some of the stresses of this.
Bill said the shelter has been a great resource.
Well, the people are always wonderful. I don't know, I've been in Danbury Hospital a couple of times, and the nurses and everybody can't do enough for you. And it was the same here.
With the News Times in Danbury, this is Stacy Davis.